Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can change a link on Wix. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I am right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're gonna find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of the screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, hover your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be taken to your dashboard right here. So once in the dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen. And then here, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. And in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. Go ahead and click on edit site. And after that, you're going to be redirected to this page right here. So this is going to be the editor for Wix. Just wait for it to load. So once you're here, this is how the page will look like. Here in the left, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you customize and design your site. So right now, if you have a link, for example, in your page, just go to it and then give it a click. And after that, here in the top, you're going to find edit text, create AI text, animations, link, help, and lastly, connect to CMS. So in order to change the link, all you need to do guys is click on link. And then here, choose if you want a link for a page, web address, so on. For example, I'm going to go to web address. And then all you need to do guys is paste the link address right here. And then click on done and all of your changes will be saved. If you want to add a new link, all you need to do guys is click on add element, add a text, and then once you add your text, click on link and repeat the same steps. So this is us guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.